come visit our open house this weekend. It's on Saturday, December 22nd from 1 to 3 p.m. Don't miss it. Hi, this is Joi McKinney with Triple Crown Real Estate Group, your local real estate resource. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in the established Flower Mound Timber Creek subdivision has a covered porch which welcomes you inside, featuring a designated foyer opening up into a large, spacious living room. Don't miss it. Come see me. Give us a call or text us now if you'd like to see this home. Have a great day. Give us a call.